Hello and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you when your Facebook shows error performance query what to do. So let's get started. So here let's open the Facebook app. Okay. So just go here, then go and put into your here, just open it. So if your Facebook app shows the error as your performance query, that means you don't have proper internet. You have to provide proper internet into your Facebook and it will be fixed. So by this way you can do it, and it's an easy way too. So when provide a Facebook here, you can check for an update and do other things and it will be fixed. So if you have any question, you can let me know in my comment section, and if you find this video helpful, make sure you like, subscribe and share the video. Thank you for watching.